Barbara Faulkner, and I am the Director of Educational Technology in the Templar School of Education. We're putting together what's called a Toddler Mobility Trainer. So it's basically a wheelchair for children, maybe 1, 2, all the way up to age 8. There's some parts that didn't fit quite right together, and we had to sand them down as we went along, but you know, all in all, I think it went together pretty well. This is it. They say it can hold up to 200 pounds. The headrest is removable and the push handle is removable so that it can be, you know, suitable for any child. There are special grips here so that a child can grip the wheel easily and move themselves along, or a peer can push them with these handles, or an adult can push them with the bigger handles. So it's a really, really great thing. And I just want to point out that even these soft parts were 3D printed. It's a special filament. It's called TPU, and it is a phenomenal build. Dr. Smith and I were just so impressed with the quality of this, so it's an excellent opportunity for families. The organization that created this, it's a nonprofit out of New Orleans, I believe. They're called Make Good, and they designed this wheelchair. They did lots of prototypes, tested it with families over many months. We are partnering with Knox County Schools. This is going to be donated to their physical therapy department so that they can use it with a variety of students. I just want to tell people, if they know somebody in need, reach out to us, because we would love to do this again for somebody who needs it.